Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best home safes available on the market today. These safes were carefully selected based on their quality, features, price, durability, and user reviews. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium pick, we've got you covered. If you'd like to see updated prices or additional information, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews like this. All right, let's dive right in. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Steel Home Security Safe. This safe offers a great balance of affordability and functionality, making it a popular choice for homeowners. It features a programmable electronic keypad for secure access, and you also get a backup key for emergencies. With 1.52 cubic feet of storage space, it's ideal for securing jewelry, documents, and smaller valuables. The build quality is impressive for its price. The safe is constructed with heavy-duty steel, including an 8-gauge steel door and 14-gauge body, along with pry-resistant hinges and live door bolts for added security. It's easy to install with pre-drilled mounting holes, and the interior shelf helps keep things organized. However, it's not fireproof or waterproof, so it's more suited for theft protection than environmental hazards. This safe is a fantastic option for those on a budget who want a reliable lockbox for everyday valuables. Pros include its sturdy construction, user-friendly electronic lock, and spacious interior, while the cons are its lack of fire and water resistance. Taking the number 3 spot is the RXUJYC 6.0 cubic foot large safe box. This safe is perfect for those who need a lot of storage space without compromising on security. With a massive 6 cubic foot capacity, it's ideal for storing large items like documents, jewelry, and even medications or ammo. It also features a removable shelf to help organize your belongings. This safe is loaded with security features, including a dual alarm system that triggers after multiple incorrect password attempts, 3 solid steel lock bolts, and anti-pry hinges. It can be accessed via a programmable electronic keypad or a spare key, and the external battery design ensures you won't get locked out due to a dead battery. While it claims to be fireproof, the lack of specific certifications might be a concern for those prioritizing fire resistance. Overall, this safe is a great choice for families or gun owners who need ample storage and advanced security features. Pros include its large capacity, dual alarm system, and flexible access methods, while the cons are its relatively high price and unverified fireproof rating. At number 2 is the Sentry Safe HD 4100, our budget pick that offers both fireproof and waterproof protection. For just $68, you get a 0.65 cubic foot safe that's UL classified to withstand fires at 1550 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, and ETL verified to remain waterproof for 72 hours, even when submerged in up to 8 inches of water. This makes it a fantastic option for safeguarding documents, USBs, and other valuables in disaster-prone areas. The design is compact yet functional, with a flat key lock and built-in straps to organize documents like passports and birth certificates. While it's not the most secure against theft due to its basic locking mechanism, its primary focus is on protecting your items from environmental threats, and it does that exceptionally well. This safe is ideal for anyone looking for affordable disaster-proof storage. Pros include its fire and water resistance, lightweight design, and unbeatable price, while the cons are its limited capacity and lack of advanced theft protection. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Sentry Safe SFW 123 DSB. As the premium option on our list, this safe is packed with features that justify its $224.99 price tag. It offers 1-hour UL classified fire protection at 1700 degrees Fahrenheit and 24-hour ETL verified waterproof protection, making it one of the most durable safes available. Additionally, it's ETL verified to withstand a 15-foot drop during a fire, ensuring your valuables stay protected even in extreme conditions. The build quality is outstanding, with a steel alloy construction, 4 live locking bolts, and a pry-resistant hinge bar. It also includes a combination dial for secure access and an interior shelf to keep your items organized. The safe is heavy at 86 pounds, which adds to its theft resistance, but may require extra effort during installation. This safe is perfect for those who want maximum security against fire, water, and theft. Pros include its exceptional durability, advanced fire and water resistance, and sturdy build, while the cons are its higher price and heavy weight. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right home safe for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more reviews just like this. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with any of these safes, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.